Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to talk about something many people ask. What's the difference between free and premium doodles? And should you upgrade or not? Also, before we begin, please check the description below. I have added the latest links, updates and feature of both free and premium doodle there. Sometimes they changes things, so you will find the most correct information there. Alright, let's talk about it. So, the free version of Doodle is good if you just want to create simple polls. For example, you can make a poll to ask people what day and time works best for a meeting or event. You choose a few options and send the links and people vote. That's it, very easy. You don't even need an account to respond. That's why many people love Doodle for group planning. And yes, the basic version is totally free. But now let's say you are a teacher, coach, team leader or a business person. Maybe you want a bit more control. That's where the premium or paid version comes in. When you upgrade to Doodle Professional, you get some cool feature. For example, you can remove ads. That makes everything look cleaner and more professional. Also, you can set deadline for people to respond. This is great if you don't want to wait too long. With premium, you can also ask extra question like, do you prefer Zoom or Google Meet? Very helpful for online meeting. Another thing is calendar integration. Doodle Pro can connect to your Google Calendar or Outlook. So it checks your schedule and avoid double booking. This saves time and mistakes. You can also send reminder and people get email notification, so they don't forget the meeting. That's super useful for classes or client calls. One more thing is you can set automatic time zones, which is very important if your clients and teammates are in different countries. For free Doodle, it doesn't do this well. So is it worth to upgrade? If you just want to plan things with friends or classmates once in a while, then the free version is enough for you, no need to pay. But if you use Doodle for professional work like coaching, client meeting, team calls, then yes, the premium version can save you time and help you look more professional. There are monthly and yearly plans, so you can pick what fits your budget. Alright, that's the video for today. I hope now you understand the difference between free and premium Doodle and you can decide what's best for you. All the latest plans and features are in the description below, so please check that out. If this video helped you, please make sure to like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.